So I have a very innovative and futuristic amplifier for those guitarists out there. This is the Lava Studio, deemed as the world's most advanced amp. And with its big touchscreen display, built-in effects, and clear quality sound, you'll understand why. I mean, this almost looks like it could be an Apple product, but then again, with Lava Music, this fits right in with their style. So let me show you more.
MrBlack.
And hey, if you like gadgets and gear, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Don't be a stranger to this channel. And also hit that like button, and YouTube will give you more of this kind of content. I'll put links to everything down in the description. Now, Lava Music did send this to me so that I could take my time, test it out, and then share my experiences and thoughts with you guys. And as I'm recording this is actually on Kickstarter with a lot of backers already, but there's also really good discounts if you get it early enough. Depending on when you're watching this, it might already be out, so do check out the link. But here it is, the Lava Studio. So this isn't your traditional boxy guitar amp. It's got this super sleek all metal enclosure with a stunning 13.3 multi-touch display that can be tilted up 80 degrees. It's an all-in-one studio in a box that's as much of a piece of tech as it is a musical instrument. On the front, you have your power button and then a volume knob, as well as a 1/4-inch input for your guitar and a headphone output. You also have a 2.1 audio system, a woofer for deep lows, and dual 2-inch tweeters for crisp mid-highs, delivering a high dynamic tone with pristine sound quality. So it sounds fantastic with your guitar, but also with your phone. By connecting it via Bluetooth, you can play your own music, and it sounds amazing as just like a desktop sound system. On the back, you have 1/4-inch stereo out, plus USB-C to interface for your computer, and then you have your power point. You can set this right up on your desk with its rubber feet, or you can use their height adjustable stand like this one right here, which is also great for hiding any cables. Getting back to the amp, Lava has packed it with an incredible set of features. You've got over 30 Lava AI amp models and more than 40 effect modules, from classic drives to high quality reverbs. And you can also build and tweak your own tones and presets right here on the touchscreen. And this is where the studio of it comes into play. The Lava Studio is a fantastic tool for learning and creating. It comes with over 300 backing tracks and drum grooves to jam along with. You also have an 8-track looper and a built-in mini DAW for multi-track recording, which lets you record your ideas right on this device. And if you're brand new to guitar, this can really help because you actually have a set of world-class instructors with video lessons and interactive tabs. Plus, there's a unique Lava AI stem isolation feature that lets you split any song into its individual tracks, vocals, drums, guitars, bass, so then you can play along with your favorite artists. So it's a very powerful amp. I think it's perfect for the modern guitarist out there who wants an all-in-one solution for their practice, performance, and even recording. It's ideal for home studios and beginners who just want to learn. Or maybe anyone looking to consolidate all of their gear into just one unit like this. The design and features feel like it's built for the future of music creation. And I feel like we've only scratched the surface on what this thing can do. The sound quality is great, the user experience is slick. It's a serious piece of kit for anyone that's passionate about guitar. So overall, the Lava Studio, in my opinion, is a bold and innovative product. It's a next level desktop amp that combines a powerful audio system with advanced amp modeling, effects, and a suite of tools for learning and creating. If you're looking for a fresh way to practice or produce your sounds, this is definitely worth looking into. But do check out the link in the description, whether it's on Kickstarter or it's already shipping, depending on when you're watching this, and you'll see the current and most up-to-date price. This thing is a lot of fun, and I'll continue playing around with it, and if there's any new features that come out in a firmware update or anything that I discover, I'll keep you guys updated. So great job, Lava Music, on that. And if you want to see the other videos I did with their Lava guitars, check out one of these that's on the screen. And yeah, they have some really cool guitars, built-in touchscreens on some of these too. So yeah, click one of those. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.